Do you want to stay cozy and warm in your house or your apartment during the winter? I definitely recommend the Dreo space heater. It's very compact and small. It fits in small spaces. It is so simple to use. You just turn it on. There are different settings for it. I have it in the eco setting. With the eco setting, once the room reaches the temperature, it will turn off. Once it's below the temperature, then it will turn back on. With the eco mode, you can change the temperature down or up. One of the great features is that it has a timer. It goes from 1 hour all the way to 12 hours. It also has different modes, like the fan mode, and then it has 3 different heat modes. The H2 is like medium, H3 will be like higher, and then H1 will be like low. Another feature it has a lock mode, so if you have children, they won't be able to touch the buttons or turn it off or change the temperature. It also comes with a remote, so you can turn it off, turn it on, and you don't have to get up in the middle of the night to turn it on or turn it off. Another great feature, if it tips over, it will start beeping, and then it will start turning off on its own. So I definitely recommend the Dreo portable heater